Yep, I know what you might be thinking. Did I just read that title correctly? And my answer to that is yes. Today we're going to be talking about how to get your CDL in just 2 weeks. Now, for all you guys out there watching, I know you're thinking, how in the world can I find a school, attend training, learn how to drive a truck, and pass the CDL road test in only 2 weeks? I know that sounds crazy, but you'd be surprised at just how many students have done just that here at Driving Academy. While it's certainly not easy and will require a lot more than just a little dedication and grit, if you follow the following steps I'm about to provide to you in this video, I can almost guarantee that you can pull it off and you'll pass your CDL road test, get yourself on the road to freedom in just 2 weeks. Now, typically training takes about 4 to 6 weeks to complete. But what's great about our school for students is the flexibility to train on their schedule. This means they're able to work or spend time with family while they're enrolled. If they can only train on weekends, we're open then. If they can only train at night, guess what? We're open. We're able to work out a flexible payment plan and training schedule that fits your needs so you can become a trucker on your own time. But if you're one of those people with that drive to drive, we can help you earn your CDL in just 2 weeks. There are 2 types of students who want to get their CDL in under 2 weeks: the out-of-staters and the super ambitious. Every year we get dozens of students from out of state to come to our Linden NJ school because they want to train at the best truck driving school in the country. This is mostly thanks to our guaranteed programs, state-of-the-art simulators, and highly structured curriculum that, when followed, will help you earn your CDL. Now, these out-of-state students will come up to New Jersey, stay at a nearby hotel, and intensely train for 2 weeks straight through. Here's how you can do that too. Step 1 is going to be to get your CDL permit before you start. You can't legally train to drive a truck on public roads without your CDL permit. Get that permit before day 1 so you can start driving early in your training, not sitting on the sideline. Here at Driving Academy, we offer our students what is called road passes, which are simply opportunities to take a truck out on the real road once they put in a sufficient amount of time in mastering maneuvers and their pre-trip inspection. You'll need your permit in order to take advantage of this opportunity. Step 2 is going to be to sign up for a guaranteed CDL program. If you're near one of our locations, then you are in luck, because here at Driving Academy, we offer a guaranteed CDL program. We put in the long hours in creating processes that guarantee that students that closely follow it will walk away with their CDL license. This takes a lot of pressure off yourself, knowing that even if you don't pass the first time, you'll be able to retake the test at no additional cost. Almost no other truck driving school offers this. A program that guarantees you'll get your CDL if you follow the process, gives you structure, support, and a clear path to passing. Step 3 is going to be to pay for your program full upfront. Schools can't schedule your CDL road test until your tuition is fully paid. So if you choose to take the payment route, you just might be stuck waiting for weeks for a test date. But if you pay up front, you'll get your test date locked in while you train. Step 4 is going to be to be ready to train Monday through Friday. You're not going to be able to cut corners with this. You have to be prepared to show up every weekday, fully focused. 2 weeks means it's a fast-paced program. You got to be locked in. At the Driving Academy Yard, we offer a 16-hour CDL Class B course, as well as a 36-hour CDL Class A course. Students that are prepared to dedicate the time and effort needed in such a short time span take full advantage of these courses and ace their CDL tests very quickly. Step 5 is to take time off of your other obligations. No side jobs, no distractions, no last-minute cancellations. The students who finish in 2 weeks treat training like a full-time job. If you want your license fast, your full attention needs to be here. Step 6, make a plan with the instructors to pass your CDL road test in under 2 weeks. You'll need to plan out your training schedule with the instructors in the yard, just like when you go to a teacher after class for extra help. They'll make sure that they're giving you extra attention so you're ready with your maneuvers, pre-trip inspection, and everything else you need to be prepared for your test. Step 7 is, while you're training, you're practicing. Of the people who fail their CDL exam, 80% fail the pre-trip inspection. The key to passing is memorization. The key to memorization is repetition. Anytime you're not driving a truck, you should be testing yourself or working with a partner to memorize the script. Step 8. To watch our training videos on YouTube and use our student portal. One of the many reasons people come to Driving Academy is for our student portal. This database of information has videos and explanations of every part of the CDL road test, but only Driving Academy students has access to it. Make sure you also subscribe and watch our YouTube channel, because we have tons of videos with insider information from examiners, plus tips and tricks to help you pass your CDL road test. Step 9 is going to be to schedule your road test in advance. One of the biggest challenges for getting your CDL license in 2 weeks is scheduling the test. Many DMVs are backlogged for weeks or even months. You want to have this little time between training and testing so that you hold on to all the information and practice that you put in. That's why at Driving Academy, we use third-party testing. This means you'll get to skip the long lines at the DMV and take your test with Driving Academy certified examiners. All right, guys, now if you stick to this plan, getting your CDL in just 2 weeks is absolutely possible. Now, if you want to earn your commercial driver's license ASAP, and if you want to earn it on your time, thanks to our flexible scheduling with nights and weekend classes available, visit the Driving Academy website using the link in the description. Are you ready to get started? Let's hit the road.
Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. If you want to get your CDL license, you know where to go. Check out our website, cdldrivingacademy.com, right over there. And if you like this video, you'll definitely like this video right over here. So make sure you check that out. But before anything else, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you soon.